Did you know a serial killer's arrogance with a typewriter became his downfall? Larry Eiler seemed completely ordinary in 1980s Indiana, a house painter and construction worker who blended into any crowd, but he was hunting young gay men at truck stops and highways across the Midwest. For months he killed without leaving traces, until his ego took control. He started sending typewritten letters to police, describing his victims in chilling detail. He thought this proved his intelligence, his superiority over investigators. Each letter mocked their efforts while revealing intimate knowledge only the killer could know. But Eiler made one fatal mistake. Every typewriter has unique mechanical flaws, like fingerprints on paper. Forensic experts matched every threatening letter to one specific machine. When they traced that typewriter to his apartment, they found victim belongings inside. His own written words connected him to 21 murders. The man who thought he was outsmarting police had actually been writing his own confession. Like and share for more true crime stories that show how killers destroy themselves.